sitting in the temple of every human body. The moment I stand in reverence before every human being and see God in him, that moment I am free from bondage. Everything that binds vanishes, and I am free. Yes, Swami Vivekananda. Good morning. I am Krishna Sai, the grade 2B, and I welcome you all to the morning assembly. Today is 12th January, being the birthday of Swami Vivekananda. This day is celebrated every year to honor the birthday of Swami Vivekananda, one of India's greatest spiritual and social leaders. Wishing a very happy National Youth Day to you all and to the youth of the country. And now I would call Pushkar for grade 2B for today's thought.
Thank you, Krishna Sai. The thought for the day is: see for the highest, aim at the highest, and you shall reach at the highest. Thank you.
Thank you, Pushkar. Now text my friend Imsa to say motivational quote of Swami Vivekananda ji.
Thank you, Krishna Sai. Friends, motivational words of Swami Vivekananda ji are: arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is achieved. Be a hero. Always say, I have no fear. Believe in yourself and the world will be at your feet. Talk to yourself once in a day, otherwise you may miss meeting an excellent person in this world. Thank you.
The pledge inculcates the habit of the road and instills feeling of patriotism among us and make us responsible citizens. For pledge, I would call Cherry.
I request everyone to stand straight. Swami Vivekananda is one of India's greatest spiritual and social leaders. He taught us how to be a better person. Make up one idea. Make that one idea your life. Think of it. Dream of it. Live on that idea. Let your brain, muscles, nerves, every other idea alone. This is the way to success. Thank you.
Thank you, Cherry. Now I would like to request Harold with information on National Youth Day.
National Youth Day. Thank you, Krishna Sai. National Youth Day is celebrated all over India to inspire younger generations to come up with the plans to make India a developed nation. We know that the teachings and philosophies of Swami Vivekananda motivates us to work towards the development of society and nation at large. Swami Vivekananda had a strong memory since his childhood. He had read scriptures like Vedas, Upanishads, Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, and Mahabharata. He was about 25 years old when he became a monk. His speech in Chicago made him globally famous. He followed his guru Ramakrishna throughout his life and took all his responsibilities after him. He established the branches of Ramakrishna Mission also in other countries. The birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda in India is celebrated as National Youth Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Karo. Now I request Pushkara to say this you to inspire everyone.
All power is within you. You can do anything and everything. 3 golden rules are: who is helping you? Don't forget them. Who is loving you? Don't hate them. Who is believing you? Don't cheat them. Thank
you, Pushkaraj. His Swami Vivekananda was the perfect embodiment of intellect and humanity. There are several life incidents of the legendary man which inspires us. I now invite Saida Mohanty of grade 2B with an inspiring incident of Swamiji.
Thank you, Krishna sir. One of the inspiring incidents is while Swami Vivekananda was in America one day, he saw some boys standing on a bridge and trying to shoot eggshells that were floating in the water. They fell almost at every try. Swamiji, who was watching them from a distance, went close to them, took the gun and fired 12 times. Every time he fired, he hit the eggshell. The boys asked him, "Sir, how could you do it?" We have been trying for a long time. He replied, "Whatever you are doing, put your whole mind on the target. Then you will never miss. If you are learning your lesson, think only of the lesson. In my country, children are taught to do this. Friends, when we are learning, we must focus only on the subject and not allow our mind to waver. The gadgets or games are inviting. We can schedule a time for it. Let us try it. The results will be very good. Thank you.
Thank you, Saida Mohanty. It is inspiring to all of us, especially during this time. May I add, let us follow the directions made by our elders. We now come to an end of the assembly. Let's all write the national anthem. Thank you for being with us. Thank you all.